It begins with the sun rising over Diamond Head and a breeze rolling off the Pacific, gently brushing your skin as you step barefoot onto the deck. The sound of waves lapping against the hull and the distant hum of ukulele music set the tone. If you've ever dreamed of a quintessential Hawaiian sailing experience, the Kepoikai Catamaran in Waikiki offers just that and more, anchored directly on the golden sands of Waikiki Beach. The iconic blue and white striped sails of Kepoikai 2 have become a symbol of laid-back ocean adventures. This isn't your average tourist boat. It's a family-owned vessel with heart, heritage, and a rhythm that beats to the ocean's pulse. As you set sail, the city's skyline fades, and the true magic of Oahu's coast begins to unfold. Sailing along the shoreline, the catamaran offers breathtaking views of the volcanic majesty of Diamond Head, with sparkling turquoise waters stretching endlessly into the horizon. With a glass of rum punch in hand, bare feet on deck, and the occasional spray of seawater to cool you down, it's the kind of experience that redefines what a perfect day means. Whether you choose a sunny afternoon ride or a romantic sunset sail, Kepoikai caters to your mood. The crew, known for their warmth, humor, and deep love of their island, enhance the journey with storytelling, island history, and music that floats with the wind. The sail isn't just scenic, it's soulful. This isn't about rushing through activities or chasing adrenaline. It's about slowing down, tuning in, and letting the rhythm of the ocean carry your worries away. Perfect for solo travelers, couples, or families, a sail on the Kepoikai Catamaran invites you to experience Honolulu in the most natural and joyful way possible. So, when are you planning to set sail across the Waikiki breeze?